Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we are going to tell you like how you can activate your voice chat in your Roblox without verifying your age. Okay, so is this possible or not, and what are the main you can say causes why they need like verification, and many of you want to know like why they need any kind of identity and all. Okay, so as you can see, I want to show you something like when you activate your voicemail, you will see this kind of message on your screen. Like they have a community and they have like a standard community, and you need to follow their community. If you abuse, like if you want to a good community on Roblox, then you need to follow some guidelines. So that's why they need your identity, and if you don't verify your account, then you are not able to like your activate your voice chat, because when you abuse anyone on Roblox, maybe they will report you, and in that case Roblox team need to verify which account you can say like account is related to which person. That's why they need your identity and all for your safety and all purpose. Okay, so don't be afraid. You need to provide any kind of identity like government identity. By using your identity, they will verify you are a genuine user in their community. Okay, so without any kind of identity you cannot, you can say like enable your voice chat in Roblox. So if you have any kind of identity, then you can watch my second video. The video link is in our video description box. You can go over, then you can check out how you can activate your voice chat. Okay, so this is my information for you. Now you can make your own decision what you have to do. If you want to get your voice chat, then you need to verify your age, and without verification you cannot activate your like Roblox voice chat. Okay, so thanks for watching this video my dear friends. Bye bye.